I want to show you my favorite React form submission tool. It's called Fillout. First things first, yes, this is free. You get 1,000 form submissions per month, which is a very generous free tier. Cool, let's move into it. Fillout is a drag and drop form builder where you can create a form here with this web app. You'll take your ID into your NPM package and it immediately works, and it will alert up to 2 emails. Under the free plan, we can have unlimited forms. Let's check this one out. For JT Hibachi, a catering company that I have this on the production website, they have a drag and drop section for a image. I use their phone, email, a party size for this catering business, gathering date, and a simple tell us about your event. I'll hit share to publish my work. Down here, I get this ID with my form link. This also matches what's up here in my URL, so I'm going to grab it. Now let's take it over and check out his documentation on NPM. This is very, very simple to set up. We're just going to import our form and then the styles it needs. Here they have it wrapped inside of just the height and width, and this can be customized however you need it to. Let's hop over here to Code SANBOX, where we have 2 imports from Fillout. One's for the pop-out and the other for the standard form. Here we have a demo ID, which we'll test out. Let's just do a name test at test.com, and then just hi. We'll hit submit. We see that we have our submission form. In this demo, we're also going to check out this pop-out form. This is just attached to a hook with a button, an on-click function that calls to open this. And here, same deal. You can just replace this form ID and you're good to go. So let's see, how can this look like on a production website? Since I just need to grab this ID, I was trying to figure out how I can implement it into my existing link component on my CMS. In my link component, I have a label, a link, and then some other options that a link typically needs. Here I decided the easiest method could be just to have a Fillout colon with my link. That way I can snag it in my code. This is how I have it wrapped, so maybe something like this works for you. I'll import the slider embed for my purposes, and I'm passing this blink. I'm going to scrub out just the Fillout colon. It's just an identifier I can give my Next.js app. My link component currently detects a Next.js link or an anchor tag, so this will give me a third option to sort out. Now I can use it anywhere. I'm currently using my link anchor tag detector. And now I have a working Fillout form right here on my web app. I set mine up like this. You can wrap it however you need to. This documentation is very, very easy to follow. And in short, that's it. You can really customize this however you need to. As long as you feed in your Fillout ID for your form, this can be heavily modified depending on your tier. Like if you have the premium tier, they let you do multi-step forms. They let you have redirects on complete. It's very, very, very convenient. So back on Fillout, we'll have a table with all of the results. This can immediately integrate into many, many different apps, which is awesome. Like you can do a ClickUp task for every Fillout that comes in. You can feed that into a Firebase. You can feed it into MailChimp. For me, this worked out perfect because I didn't want to have to go set up a bunch of different forms for a lot of different clients and then work on deploying each one of those individually. Now I can manage a lot of clients in here. Each form can have its own destination emails. And on top of that, I can customize it to whatever they need and whatever colors they need. So I love it. I'm going to keep using it. I'll probably end up buying this free tier just to get some more of the features they offer. And I'm really excited to keep learning about Fillout. I appreciate your time, and I'll have all these links down in the description so you can play with them.